How to fix login error in Curzon Home Cinema. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are still facing any issues, you want to go to your Safari and here you want to type in Curzon Home Cinema. Click on search and open the official website. Here it will verify if you are a human or not. Click on verify you are human. After you've been verified, you'll be able to log in into. After you've been verified, you'll be redirected to the official website. Tap on accept all cookies, and to log in into your account, you want to simply click on this user icon. After that, you can type in your email over here, your password over here, and simply click on submit to log in into your account. However, if you're having any problems on the application, what you can do is you can uninstall the application and install it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.